on stove and put a pan. Heat a pan, then put some cooking oil or butter. After 30 seconds, sauté sliced onion and garlic. Add butter for the aroma. This is optional only. Sauté 3/4 kilo of chicken and cook for about 15 minutes. When the meat is slightly brown, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper and add 4 pieces of bay leaves. Mix it and cook for about 1 minute. When the sauce turns to boil, add 2 small packs of oyster sauce. Then add the sliced potatoes and banana. And cook it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Don't mix it, just let it cook for about 1 minute. When the sauce boils, add 1/2 cup of water. When the sauce boils, transfer the chicken to a bowl and set aside. This step is optional only if you have a bigger pan. Add 1/2 cup of slurry for the sauce. Then mix it and cook it for about 30 seconds. After that, put the chicken back to a pan. Mix it to put sauce on chicken meat equally. Ready to serve. Thanks for watching.